Mastering Essential Vocabulary for GMAT and GRE, an overview. Hello, dedicated learners. Today, we're delving deep into a fundamental aspect of GMAT and GRE test preparation, essential vocabulary. Both these exams have a significant verbal component, and to excel, it's vital to be equipped with a robust vocabulary. Let's get started. Vocabulary isn't just about knowing words, it's about understanding them, using them contextually, and recognizing their subtle nuances. For GMAT and GRE. 1. Comprehension. Complex reading passages often incorporate high-level vocabulary. Grasping the meaning of such words helps in accurate comprehension. 2. Sentence correction and completion. For the GMAT sentence correction and the GRE sentence completion, a well-rounded vocabulary can make the difference between an educated guess and a sure-shot answer. 3. Analytical writing. Particularly for the GRE, a diverse vocabulary can elevate your essays, allowing for clearer arguments and a better overall impression. Not all words are of equal importance for these exams. Here's a brief overview. 1. High-frequency words. These are the words that frequently appear in the exams. Examples include aberration, candid, deride, etc. 2. Domain-specific words. Words that are often seen in business or scientific passages, like ledger, photosynthesis, or variable. 3. Function words. These are the words that help form the structure of a sentence, prepositions, conjunctions, etc. 1. Flashcards. A time-tested method. Write the word on one side and its meaning, along with a sample sentence, on the other. 2. Daily usage. Try to use the words you learn in your daily conversations or writings. It aids retention. 3. Contextual learning. Instead of rote memorization, understand the context in which a word is used. Reading articles, essays, or even fiction can be immensely helpful. 4. Consistent review. Revisit your vocabulary list or flashcards periodically. Repetition reinforces memory. There you have it, an overview of essential vocabulary for the GMAT and GRE. Remember, vocabulary is not just about memorization. It's about understanding and application. Here's hoping this video has armed you with the insights you need to approach your vocabulary preparation confidently. Until next time, happy studying and best of luck.